Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Otter AI for online meetings in 2026. If you want to automatically record meetings, generate live transcripts, and create AI-powered notes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure your meeting platform, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, is ready to use. Next, if available on your account, connect your calendar and enable Otter Note Taker so it can automatically join supported meetings and capture the conversation. If you're recording manually, simply click the record button before the meeting starts. Now begin your online meeting. As participants speak, Otter AI will create a live transcript in real time, making it easy to follow the discussion without taking manual notes. During the meeting, you can watch the transcript update automatically. If needed, you can pause or stop the recording at any time, depending on your meeting requirements. Once the meeting is finished, end the recording and wait a few moments while Otter AI processes the conversation. The completed transcript and AI-generated meeting summary will be saved to your account automatically. Next, open the meeting from your dashboard and review the transcript. You can edit any transcription errors, highlight important discussions, and search for specific topics or keywords using the built-in search feature. Finally, share the meeting notes with your teammates or export the transcript if you need a copy for reports, documentation, or future reference. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Otter AI for online meetings step by step. You can now capture every important discussion, save time on note-taking, and keep your meetings organized with AI. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone.